Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor survival gear that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Rikojuxi Survival Kit, boasting an impressive 262 pieces of survival gear and supplies. This kit was developed in collaboration with first responders, doctors, and special forces operators, making it ideal for disaster preparedness during critical events like earthquakes or hurricanes. Key components include a detachable multifunctional axe, a 2-in-1 shovel with pick, a fishing kit, fire-starting tools, and a collapsible water container bag. The inclusion of first aid supplies ensures that medical emergencies are covered, with items like bandages, scissors, and tweezers packed neatly into a bright red pouch for easy identification. The design of the kit is thoughtful and versatile. It's packaged in a durable crossbody bag with multiple compartments, MOLLE-compatible straps, and detachable features, making it easy to attach to larger backpacks or use on its own. The quality of the tools, especially the sturdy carbon steel axe and shovel, stands out, providing reliable functionality even in harsh outdoor conditions. The emergency tent and glow sticks offer peace of mind for nights in the wilderness. While this kit excels in its comprehensive range of tools, its price is currently unavailable, which may be a downside for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the sheer number of items might be overwhelming for beginners. However, for families or individuals looking for a robust, all-in-one solution for disaster preparedness, the Rikojuxi Survival Kit is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the LifeStraw Survival Kit and First Aid Kit, a compact yet powerful bundle containing 142 pieces of gear. Designed by survival experts, this kit is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, firefighters, and anyone seeking a reliable emergency solution. It includes 21 multi-purpose survival tools, such as a hatchet, wire saw, fire-starting tools, and a survival bracelet, along with a 106-piece first aid kit to ensure injuries are treated promptly. Its fishing tool set adds versatility for long-term survival scenarios, making this kit ideal for activities like camping, hiking, or boating. The design is compact and lightweight, with all items neatly arranged in a durable 600D nylon pouch. Measuring just 9 by 6 by 5 inches, it can easily attach to belts or other bags using MOLLE-compatible straps, ensuring convenience during outdoor adventures. The tools themselves are well-made and durable, with the hatchet and flashlight standing out for their reliability. The survival blanket and emergency rope add further utility, especially in cold or challenging conditions. However, the kit's price is currently unavailable, and some users might find a smaller quantity of survival tools compared to other kits limiting. Despite this, a LifeStraw Survival Kit is highly practical for those seeking a lightweight, organized emergency solution that balances survival tools and first aid. Number 3 on our list is the X-Auto Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern, a versatile lighting solution for both indoor and outdoor emergencies. This 4-pack of lanterns features 6+1 high-intensity LED chips, providing 360 degrees lighting coverage that can illuminate an entire room when fully opened. The collapsible design allows you to adjust brightness simply by pulling the lantern up, making it user-friendly and adaptable. With 2 charging methods, solar and USB, it ensures you're never left in the dark, and the built-in 1600 mAh rechargeable battery doubles as a power bank for your devices in emergencies. The lanterns are lightweight and portable, making them easy to carry or hang on tents or trees. The durable ABS material ensures they're waterproof and resistant to extreme temperatures, making them reliable in challenging environments. With a battery life of over 25 hours when fully charged, these lanterns are perfect for camping, hiking, or power outages at home. The compact size, as small as a smartphone when collapsed, adds to their portability. The X-Auto lanterns offer great value at $20.99 for a 4-pack, making them an affordable option for families or groups. However, at 300 lumens, their brightness might not be sufficient for larger outdoor areas. Nonetheless, These lanterns are a practical and budget-friendly choice for anyone seeking reliable emergency lighting. At number 2 is the EOC Smile Emergency Radio with NOAA Weather Alert, a premium option packed with features for survival situations. Certified by the National Weather Service, this radio provides real-time weather alerts and includes AM/FM and shortwave bands for entertainment or news broadcasts. Its loud SOS alarm and flashing red light ensure you're alerted to severe weather emergencies even while sleeping. The built-in 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery offers up to 13 hours of runtime and can be charged via solar, hand crank, USB, or backup AAA batteries, making it highly versatile. The design is compact yet durable, with a telescopic antenna for improved reception and a comfortable volume knob for easy adjustment. The radio doubles as a flashlight with an 80-meter range, a reading lamp with adjustable brightness levels, and a USB charger for mobile devices. It even includes a compass and hand strap for outdoor use, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or disaster scenarios. While the EOC Smile Radio is priced at $32.39, its multifunctionality justifies the cost. Some users may find the hand crank less efficient for quick charging, but overall, this is a reliable and feature-rich survival tool for anyone looking to stay prepared during emergencies. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, a must-have for any survival kit. This lightweight filter removes 99.999999% of bacteria and 99.999% of waterborne parasites, ensuring safe drinking water in emergencies or during outdoor adventures. It also removes microplastics and reduces turbidity to 0.2 microns, making it one of the most effective portable water filters on the market. With a long lifetime of up to 4,000 liters, 1,000 gallons, this filter is dependable for extended use. The design is compact, measuring just 8.66 inches long and weighing 0.04 kilograms, making it easy to carry in your backpack or pocket. It requires no power source or batteries, which is a huge advantage in remote areas. The BPA-free construction ensures safety, and the product's impact extends beyond your purchase. Every LifeStraw sold helps provide safe drinking water to a child in need for an entire school year. Priced at just $17.97, the LifeStraw offers unbeatable value for its functionality. While it doesn't purify large quantities of water or store filtered water, it's perfect for hikers, campers, and anyone facing emergency situations. Its proven reliability and simple design make it the best choice for outdoor survival gear in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.